Greetings from Thailand. My name is Sebastian Bruno and I'm one of the founders of ThaiVedic School of Healing, Movement and Bodywork. This school draws from traditions of Ayurveda, Thai massage and traditional Thai medicine and yoga therapy. We use these modalities as a way to understand individuality and relationship between you and your environment, and use this practice as a way to assist in moving you in a direction of health, balance and great vitality. This online course was created with the intention of sharing with the world these powerful, efficient practices. My intention with this course is to hopefully be able to share with you my passion for movement and for touch. Welcome to the ThaiVedic Bodywork online course. I'm looking forward to dive in with you into the realm of the elements, conscious touch,